Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to join a Discord server without an invite. If you want to join a Discord server but don't have an invite link, don't worry. You can still find and join public servers. Open Discord and look at the left-hand side where your servers are listed. Click on the plus button to add a server. Then click Join a server. Even though it mentions having an invite link, go ahead and continue. You'll see a field where you can paste an invite link. Below that, click on Check out discoverable communities in Server Discovery. You can also click the compass icon on the left-hand side to explore servers. Once inside the Server Discovery page, browse through the categories on the left. Find a server that interests you and click on it to preview. At the top, click Join, and just like that, you've joined a Discord server without needing an invite link. So this is how to join a Discord server without an invite. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.